What is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am taking you on a tour around Colombo with some of our friends from Edith Cowan University. Have you ever had an experience and wish you could make the perfect reel to document it?
Hello, my name is Dilshan Pereira.
Colombo, day 5.
That is exactly what we're setting out to do with our workshop as a part of the ECU Evolve festival happening in Colombo with over 45 guests from the region. Alright, so we are just about to start the vlog challenge workshop. Everyone's just coming in after breakfast. We'll be starting soon. We're going to take them through how to make a very interesting 2-minute short video of their tour around Colombo. We are going to be taking them into Peta. There's about 40 people, so we are very nervous about that. Fingers crossed, let's see how that turns out. The energy in the room was amazing. Everyone was interested and excited to show off their talent. We handed out a leaflet with all the key details, from storytelling tips to the marking criteria, so they knew exactly what to focus on when creating their 2-minute video. And trust me, they took this challenge seriously. Alright, we are about to depart. Very excited. I think the people are also very excited. We are definitely nervous. I've already had a tough time herding them out of the hotel, so I'm interested to see how Peta goes. Let's get in on this double-decker and get started.
Hi guys, we're the tourist guides for
Sheneller's Colombo city tour
with ECU, and we're in the double-decker bus right now, and
we're in the normal bus.
We're in the normal part
of the double-decker bus.
And we're gonna go to Peta, and we're not gonna get lost.
Don't say that in the video. Are you vlogging? We are vlogging.
We are.
Are you competing? No, thank you.
Alright, we are on the bus, on the top deck. It's a bit hot and sunny, but Michael's doing a great job of keeping us engrossed in the environment. There's some breeze, we have to avoid a few branches. It's all part of the experience. First stop, Peta Market. And what better way to beat the Colombo heat than with some fresh tambili, aka king coconut. Ice cold, naturally sweet, and the perfect refreshment before diving into the chaos that is Peta. Alright, we have made it into Peta, and honestly the weather is not too bad. We have a little bit of overcastness that's helping us. We just walked in, we've had king coconut, we've had acharu. Now we're going to go into the small road.
Achar is a little bit khatta and very sweet. We have this in India, but the taste is different, so I like it.
Pickles are great. I love spicy food. I had the Sri Lankan olive, mango, and some fruit. I don't know what it was. A little bit like an apple and some hairy seed. Tastes really refreshing.
Sour, but it's so good. Very crowded, very busy, but worth it.
Healthy coconut, anyone?
Right in the middle of the busy Peta street stands one of Colombo's most iconic landmarks, the Red Mosque. And we wanted to show our guests the multicultural history of this market. And the Red Mosque, built in 1908, is a testament to the influence of Muslim traders that frequented this hub. And on the very next lane is a Hindu Kovil, which shows the long-standing multicultural society that has walked these streets.
I'm pretty excited, you know. We have the same market in India, but the cleanliness and the people are friendly, so I love it.
It reminds me of many other places in this region, but it's got its own vibe. It's great walking in the streets with the busyness and the people and the food and the sights.
We just finished Peta. it wasn't as bad as we thought. Now we're off on another adventure. Back on the tour bus, the city opened up once again. And the first thing to catch our eyes was the towering Nelum Kulana, also known as the Lotus Tower. Soaring 350 meters tall above Colombo, it's the tallest tower in South Asia and a symbol of modern Sri Lanka's skyline.
I think we saw Peta and Colombo from a different light as a Sri Lankan. Colombo, as we know, it's a multicultural city. So anyone who comes down to Colombo to study as an international student would be a great experience for them, and I think it would be safe for them. I think they should give it a try if they are willing to come.
Colombo is one of the developed cities in Sri Lanka, and ECU Sri Lanka is the first international university in Sri Lanka, and they do provide new technology. The facilities are amazing, but yeah, I would say Colombo, as we all see today, so this is one of the great place to be here.
Alright, so everyone is a little sun-baked and a bit tired, so we might change our plans around a little bit. The great thing about the bus tour is that you don't actually have to get off or go anywhere. There's plenty to see, especially when you're on the top deck. You can admire it, take your pictures, all without stepping out, which is great. I think that's what a lot of us are doing right now. We'll see how it is, whether they want to get down at the temple or not, and depending on that, let's see how it goes. A usual must-visit on a city tour of Colombo, the Gangaramya Temple. This temple hosts a number of relics which can be viewed by the public. Although we were planning to stop and visit the temple, which is quite unique to any other temple on the island, our guests were a little too tired and wanted to head back for lunch.
It's my first time in Sri Lanka and I love it. The people are so friendly, it's really interesting culture, so many things to do, and the food is amazing.
I'm quite amazed about people over here. It's so hospitable, everybody is nice, it's well organized. In just a short period of time, you all have shown us whatever you can for the Colombo, and I think I have seen a lot.
We love it.
Yeah, beautiful.
We love.
We will keep coming back.
We love this place. It's great. Lovely part of the world.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, we have finished a successful tour around Colombo. Successful because everyone had a good time. Maybe a little unsuccessful because they were too tired to go to all the places that we hoped they'd go for. But all in all, they had a good time, and we learned a lot of things and how we can make it more fun and exciting next time.
How was the experience of guiding a group? We were expecting it to only be 30, but it turned out being 48. But I think we managed. We had a lot of help.
Yeah, help.
And how did you manage?
Honestly, I had a great time. It was really, I think I had to get used to handling so many people. So I would run from the front of the group to the back of the group, keep counting them. But in general, once I realized that they are following along and not getting lost, I focus a lot more on talking and explaining, and I enjoyed it. I did. And if you are wondering whether we do offer this as a service that you can have in Sri Lanka, scan the QR code below to check out our new tour services, where we offer everything from tour consultations to special guided tours like this one.
Yeah, it was really good fun. It was really nice that for most of them, I think other than one, everyone hadn't seen Colombo before.
Yeah.
So it was really, a really good, successful one. Now to head in and judge the videos, which is going to be interesting. Just want to let you all know though that it was an amazing effort by everyone. It's obviously very hard to do something like this within 30 minutes.
Reevaluate after watching all of this.
Alright, so third prize is Ross.
Here we go. Colombo, day 5.
Is that the hero?
There it is. The beast. Here we are on top of the bus. Look at that view.
Congratulations, thanks for competing. Alright, second prize. Who do you think second should be?
Adam.
Who do you think?
That is right, it is Adam. Sorry, Sheneelle Pereira.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello, my name is Dilshan Pereira, and this is some tuk-tuk wisdom. But I have something even more exciting. Okay, this is Dilshan Pereira, aka Adam Bryers. I'm on the street and I'm looking for the coconut. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I've met some people on the street. What do you guys do? What do you sell? What's this? What do you sell? Okay. The streets of Colombo.
What biryani is called? Just biryani. No, chicken biryani. Chicken biryani. Oh, chicken. It's all ready.
My friend.
Yeah.
Do you sell coconuts? Do you sell coconuts? No. No. Okay. Okay, I'm here with the famous Douglas Chai.
Hello, everyone.
Douglas, have you managed to find any king coconuts yet on the streets
yet.
of Colombo? Not yet?
Not yet.
Oh, okay, no worries. I think I found it. The king coconuts. Irene, tell me about this coconut. Is it good?
Literally
Yes.
going directly into my veins.
And you need it, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you need it.
Alright, and first prize. That is right, Vero. He completed the entire checklist, which puts him right in front of everyone. And amazing edit to have done it in 30 minutes. Great stuff.
All three were really amazing. We had a tough time.
Congratulations, guys.
This is Colombo.
So we're here in Colombo, the Peta Market of Colombo, a very diverse city.
With the prince, came for the win and I left with the ring, but nobody working like me from within. Stunned at the love that these haters convinced. Cut ties with these fakers, I ball like the Lakers. I'm getting this paper, collecting the M. I'm not with friends, I've been setting the trend. You know them haters, they time is up. Colombo to LA, we run it up. And this for the culture, I'm on them tough. And all that pretending is not enough.
Do you know what is written in that auto? It means that the way I behave is not wrong, the way you see it's wrong. Could you say one word about Colombo?
Yeah, it is amazing. The old and the new.
Thanks a lot, guys. We had a really good time doing this. Just so you all know, we don't really do this usually. It's because ECU asked us. We thought we'd try something different. I hope you all enjoyed it, and we definitely had a great time too. Cheers.
This is for you guys. So we have a little ECU merch bag for you guys too. Thank you.
Thanks so much, guys.
It's great. Amazing. Like, we've done a few of these now, and I reckon that's the best I've done for like a final activity. So thanks very much.
Lovely. Thank you
And
so
frankly,
much.
don't do it normally as well. You know, yeah thanks.